Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is the cool one here, and basically what this is a case for your laptop device. So for this brand, they actually make a lot of different cases and wallets, but the one that we got right here is a case from a laptop, which is a Macbook Pro 16-inch, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what's included inside. So the product is all nicely wrapped and everything. And right here they have a little sticker to tell you guys that everything that they have is all handcrafted and they use real leather, which is pretty awesome. And this is basically what the back part looks like. So let's open up and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it's in two different parts right here. So right here, I believe is the front part or the top part. And right here they have the little protection layer. And right here they do provide guys a little accessory if you guys want to use this option. And right here is the bottom part of the actual laptop. If you can see and feel, the material on here actually feels very nice. I believe the material that they use inside is a microfiber cloth to give you guys that protection to protect like your laptop and everything from scratches. But see, this is basically what the product looks like on the inside of the actual case right here. If we turn to the other side right here, this is basically actually looks like. So they definitely have the logo right here, and they have the non-slip material on the bottom right here, and here. And we also have the slide right here in the bottom part, and also this side as well. They definitely have the little opening to actually prevent the problem of overheating when you guys actually put this on. And in terms of the material that they use for these cases right here, it is real leather. They mention right here how it's full grain leather that they use on here. You can definitely smell the high quality leather that's on here. Same thing for the top part here as well. You can definitely feel that material right here is a really high quality leather. And right here they do have the logo or name right here. And this is basically what the inside looks like. The top part here definitely has like that microfiber cloth material here as well. But I actually put this case onto my laptop and show you guys what it actually looks like. So right here my laptop, so I'm actually put this on. So I'm assuming you basically want to clip it on. If you can see right here in the slide, throughout the actual case, they actually have this part for you guys to clip it onto your laptop. So you basically want to clip this on right here. You want to clip it in the bottom as well. So we got the bottom layer on. Let me put the top layer on as well. So you basically want to do the same thing and just clip it on. It'll probably be easier for you guys to actually open up the screen when you guys clip it on. Alright, so once you guys put on the case, this is basically actually looks like. So here's what it actually looks like right here. Here's what it actually looks like on this side. And then the back right here. And then this side right here. And then right here at the bottom part. So definitely when we put the case on here, it actually feels really nice. And literally once we actually put it on the case, I can actually smell that the leather material on here is really strong. So you see the bottom part where they have the cutout right here and also on the other side as well. They definitely have that little gap of opening, so that way when you guys are using a laptop, they definitely have that ventilation part to actually prevent the product from overheating and everything. And also on the side here, you can see they do have the little opening as well, so that way you guys can actually plug in like your USB-C cables and everything else. Same thing applies to this side as well. And when you guys are ready to open up, they definitely have the slot for you guys to pull it open if you guys need to, just like this. But this is basically what the overall product looks like if you can see. Definitely looks and feels like a high quality product, and definitely give you guys a very good grip as well when you guys actually carry it around. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys trying to look for a high quality real leather case to use for a laptop. And if you guys have the budget, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.